Your friend holds up two laptops and looks at you. Which one should I buy? She asks. You want to help. But do you know the right words in English? Today, you will learn English through a story about two friends shopping for a laptop. By the end, you will know 6 important words: storage, processor, warranty, budget, compare, and recommend. Let's begin. It is a Saturday afternoon. The sun is warm and the city is busy. Two friends, Maya and Lisa, are walking into a large electronics store. Maya is excited. She has wanted a new laptop for a long time. Lisa is calmer. She knows more about technology, so Maya asked her to come along. The store is large and bright. There are many laptops on long white tables. Some are thin and light. Some are big and heavy. Maya's eyes open wide. There are so many, Maya says quietly. I don't know where to start. Lisa smiles. Don't worry, she says. We will start with one simple question. Lisa asks, what is your budget? Maya looks a little unsure. Lisa explains, your budget is the amount of money you are able to spend. It is your limit. Maya thinks for a moment. I have about $700, she says. That is my budget. I do not want to spend more than that. Lisa nods. Good. That helps a lot. Now Lisa walks slowly along the table. She looks at each laptop carefully. She picks up a small card near one laptop and reads the information. Okay, Lisa says. We need to think about 2 important things. First, storage. Second, the processor. Maya listens carefully. Storage is the space inside the laptop, Lisa explains. It is where you keep your files, your photos, your music, your documents. If you have a lot of files, you need a lot of storage. Maya nods slowly. I have a lot of photos, she says. I take pictures every day. And I have many music files too. Lisa says, then you need good storage, at least 512 gigabytes. If this story is helping you learn English, tap the like button now. It helps other learners find this lesson. Next, Lisa talks about the processor. The processor is the brain of the laptop, she says. It controls how fast the laptop works. A stronger processor means a faster laptop. Maya looks a little confused. How do I know if a processor is strong? She asks. Lisa explains. You look at the name and the number. A higher number usually means more power. What do you use a laptop for? Lisa asks. Maya thinks. I use it for emails, online shopping, watching videos, and sometimes I use it for my work. I make reports and presentations. Lisa nods. You do not need the most powerful processor, she says, but you need a good one, not the cheapest, something in the middle. Maya feels a little better now. They walk to another part of the store. A young sales assistant comes over. He smiles and says, Hello, can I help you find something today? Lisa smiles back. Yes, please, she says. My friend is looking for a laptop. Her budget is around $700. She needs good storage and a good processor. The assistant nods. The assistant picks up a silver laptop from the table. This one is very popular, he says. It has 512 gigabytes of storage and a strong processor. The price is $680. Maya's eyes light up. That is inside my budget, she says happily. But Lisa holds up one hand. Let's not decide yet, Lisa says. We should compare a few options first. Compare means to look at 2 or more things together, Lisa explains to Maya quietly. We look at the differences, Then we choose the best one. It is a smart way to shop. The assistant brings 2 more laptops to the table. Now there are 3 laptops next to each other. Maya looks at all 3. How do we compare them? She asks. Lisa picks up the information card for each laptop. She reads them one by one. First, we look at storage, she says. The first laptop has 512 gigabytes. The second has 256. The third has 1 terabyte. That means 1,000 gigabytes. The third one has the most storage, Maya says. Is it the best? Lisa shakes her head slowly. Not necessarily, she says. We need to check everything, not just one thing. They look at the processors next. The first laptop has a strong modern processor. The second has a weaker one. The third has a very good processor, but the price is $900. The third laptop is over my budget, Maya says quietly. She sounds a little disappointed. That's okay, Lisa says. We are here to find the right one for you, not the most expensive one. So now they compare the first laptop and the second laptop. The first has 512 gigabytes of storage. The second has only 256. The first has a stronger processor, and both cost under $700. Maya looks at the second laptop. The second one is cheaper, she says. Is it good enough? Lisa answers. It is okay for simple tasks, but remember, you make presentations for work. You need more power. Maya nods. She understands. So the first laptop is better for me, she says. Lisa smiles. I think so. But there is one more thing we need to ask about. Maya looks curious. Lisa turns to the sales assistant. Does this laptop come with a warranty? She asks. The assistant nods. Yes. It comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. Maya whispers to Lisa, what is a warranty? Lisa explains, a warranty is a promise from the company. If the product breaks or has a problem within a certain time, they will fix it or replace it for free. Oh, that is very important, Maya says. What if something goes wrong with my new laptop? Lisa smiles. That is exactly why we always check for a warranty. It protects you. The assistant adds, you can also buy an extended warranty for 2 more years. That costs an extra $40. Then you are covered for 3 years total. Maya thinks about it. 3 years of warranty for $40 more, she says slowly. And the laptop costs $680. So together that is $720. That is a little over my budget, Maya says. She bites her lip. But only $20 more? Lisa says gently. And 3 years of protection is really good value. Maya looks at the laptop again. She opens it and types a few words. The keyboard feels nice. The screen is bright and clear. She smiles a little. Then she asks Lisa one final question. Do you recommend this one? I mean, do you think it is the right choice for me? Lisa pauses. She thinks for a moment. To recommend something, Lisa explains, means to say that you think it is a good choice, like a suggestion from someone you trust. She looks at Maya warmly. Yes, Lisa says finally. I recommend this laptop for you. It has enough storage for your photos and music. It has a good processor for your work. And it has a warranty. It is a smart choice. Maya takes a deep breath. Okay, she says. I will take the extended warranty too. $20 more is worth it for 3 years of protection. She turns to the assistant. I would like to buy this laptop, please, Maya says to the assistant, with the extended warranty. She sounds calm and confident. The assistant smiles and says, Great choice. They walk to the payment counter together. Maya pays and receives a receipt and a warranty card. She puts them carefully in her bag. "I want to keep these safe," she says. Outside the store, the afternoon sun is still warm. Maya holds the bag with her new laptop. She looks very happy. "Thank you so much, Lisa," she says. "I could not have done this without you." Lisa laughs. "You did great," she says. "You knew your budget. You thought about storage and the processor. You asked about the warranty. You made a smart decision." "Next time," Maya says with a smile, "I can help someone else choose a laptop." Lisa raises her eyebrows. "Maybe, but you have to set up the new one first." They both laugh. Now let's review the 6 key words from today's story. These are important English words for shopping and everyday life. Listen carefully one more time. Storage. Storage is the space inside a device where you keep your files, photos, music, and documents. More storage means you can save more things. Processor. The processor is the brain of a computer or laptop. It controls how fast the device works. A stronger processor means better and faster performance. Warranty. A warranty is a promise from a company. If your product breaks within a certain time, the company will repair or replace it for free. Budget. Your budget is the amount of money you decide to spend. It is your limit. Knowing your budget before you shop helps you make better choices. Compare. To compare means to look at 2 or more things together to find the differences. When you compare, you can choose the best option for your needs. Recommend. To recommend means to suggest something because you think it is a good choice. A friend, an expert, or a review can all recommend something to you. You now know 6 useful English words: storage, processor, warranty, budget, compare, and recommend. Great work today. Keep listening, keep learning, and your English will grow every day. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a daily English lesson. Leave a comment using one of today's words, and share this with a friend who is learning English too.